Hi, it's Kevin Lobates, and today I thought I would answer a question that somebody asked in one of my previous videos, which was, what's the difference between a traditional database and a blockchain? And I think the simplest answer for that is to look at cryptocurrencies or digital assets. If you have a traditional database, you can implement digital assets. Epic does it with V-Bucks in Fortnite, and World of Warcraft has gold. So it's perfectly possible to use a traditional database in order to keep track of who owns what. But the big difference between one of those databases and a blockchain is that when you have assets on a blockchain, if it's a truly open, permissionless blockchain, you control those assets. So there's nothing to stop Epic, other than maybe some legal contract, in deciding overnight that they're going to scrap V-Bucks, and anybody who had any credited in their accounts, well, they're gone, and now they're going to issue W-Bucks, and you have to go and buy those. So that's perfectly within the realms of possibility. I don't think they'll do it because of the PR fallout, but technically there's nothing stopping them. But with a blockchain, provided it's got a functioning consensus system, which for example in Bitcoin is the proof of work system, and provided there are enough diverse nodes that are not colluding together, then your assets are safe. You control them because you have the private key that allows you to unlock them and transact them with somebody else. So that's the one big difference between a blockchain and a database. Because a blockchain is not controlled by one entity, that one entity can't go in and change things as it sees fit. And of course, this has a lot of knock-on effects in that, for example, if you have a consortium of companies that want to keep track of data and they don't fully trust each other, they could use a blockchain instead of a database, rather than having to elect the most trustworthy member to effectively be the accountant for the system. So there you go. That's a very quick, practical example of how a blockchain differs from a database, and it should also give you an indication of what the use case is for blockchains. I hope that was interesting, and tune in for the next video, please. See you later, hopefully. Bye bye.